Welcome to Cooking with Peggy Holiday Edition. This is day 5 of our 12 days of baking. Yesterday we made chocolate pudding dessert. Thank you for sending in suggestions as to a new name for it. We'll let you know at the end of our 12 days. Today we are going to be making Pretzel Turtles. This is one of the quickest and easiest and most fun snacks to bring if you have a last minute party that you have to go to and you want to take a treat. It's as simple as it can be. There's just 2 ingredients: mini twist pretzels and Rolo caramels. This is a great recipe to do for little kids as well that can help you in the kitchen because it is just so simple, and they love unwrapping the Rolos, which takes the most time. So let's get started. First, we're going to lay out the parchment paper on the baking sheet. If you don't have parchment paper, you can use Pam and spray it. You just want to make sure that the Rolos, as they melt in the oven, don't stick to the pan. So we're going to spread out the pretzels, the mini twist pretzels. You want to make sure that you get whole ones, so any broken ones we just remove and spread them out so that we can put the Rolos on top. So after you get some pretzels laid out, we're going to just unroll the turtles and put the flat side down right in the middle of the pretzel. And then we will put it in the oven at 250 for 3 to 5 minutes. Just long enough to make the Rolo soft but not completely melted. Okay, let's get these soft in the oven, 250 for about 3 minutes. So they're soft but not completely melted. We use a spoon and just gently tap it down on each one to make it look a little bit more like a turtle. So our turtles are done. You might want to put them in the refrigerator for a few minutes and let them harden up again, and enjoy. See you tomorrow for another episode of Cooking with Peggy Holiday Edition. Bye.